My name is Jenny Jacobs, and I'm Director of Development at East West Partners. I run the Coloradan day-to-day. The Coloradan is a 334-unit condo building in downtown Denver. We have roughly 20,000 square feet of retail on the ground floor. East West has been developing the Coloradan since 2014, so roughly 5 years. Whenever we start a project, we craft a mission statement that will guide our vision for the project. Our mission statement for the Coloradan is to create a vibrant, fun, conscientious place to live where residents can connect to their community and the future of Colorado in an authentically Denver way. First, vibrant. We want to engage with the city and invite people in. We have over 3 entrances into the building, and our retail partners will create an elegant shopping experience and bring valuable services into downtown. Fun. I think our commitment to fun is evident in our amenity spaces throughout the building, from our outdoor pool to our community garden to our club room. Conscientious. I think that our owners want to live in a healthy place, and so our building will be LEED Gold and have many healthy building features. So when you take those core values and roll them up, I think it speaks to what it means to be a Coloradan. Our location is unparalleled. We're here at the heart of Union Station, and we're really the capstone of this neighborhood. One success that I'm proud of at the Coloradan is that we've started building the community even before a single person has moved in. They have sold 301 homes in under a year. That's $210 million of real estate and 1 sale every 29 hours. East West is all about building communities, and we've been in Denver for over 20 years, and we've built over 2,000 homes in Riverfront Park. So that community is really complete. And so here we are creating another community in Union Station.